Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to send a photo with the View Once feature on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to send a photo that can only be viewed once by the recipient, and after they've seen it, it disappears. It's a great way to share private or temporary images without worrying about them being saved. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure the app is updated so you have access to the latest features. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the chat you want to send the photo in. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group chat, whatever works for you. Step 3. In the chat, tap on the camera icon, located at the bottom right of the screen. This will open your camera and gallery options. Step 4. Select the photo you want to send from your gallery or take a new picture. Choose the image you want to share temporarily. Step 5. Now, to enable the View Once feature, tap on the one icon at the bottom of the screen. This will activate the feature, meaning the recipient can only view the photo once before it disappears. Step 6. Finally, tap the Send icon to send the photo. Once it's delivered, the recipient will only be able to open and view the image once. After they've seen it, the photo will disappear from the chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo with the View Once feature on WhatsApp. It's perfect for sending private images or just sharing something temporarily. The photo will no longer be available after it's viewed, giving you extra privacy and control. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.